by this, Rob, by my storage unit. And it's a little windy out here, so I'm not sure how you're going to hear this. But here's the box that I got. The $45 box from To Pluto and Beyond. Was the one that did one that's got addresses on it. Here's what the inside looks like. The bag. Here's the contents. See that brown crap? Then it's all in Chinese, so I don't know what it is. Brown crap. Look at that. That brown powder is everywhere. Then let me step over. This here. Nothing in it except for a pop socket that's stuck to the side. There's wipes. I hate touching this crap. But it just, the brown crap is all over. And I'm gonna have to wash my hands. I should bring gloves. I mean, look at this. Just a mess. Fleetwood Mac album. That was in a box, so that's why that doesn't have hardly any brown on it. But if you notice, it does a little bit. So you pick that up. What that does. And this is just a video to show you what the box looked like, what the inside of the box looked like, and the brown stuff. Give you a better idea of what I was dealing with. I should have contacted him, but I was so irritated. I didn't want to be nasty to him because the $230 box wasn't worth what he guaranteed, and the $45 box, I keep on calling the $40 box because that's all it cost me because I used the discount. But the $45 box was not even remotely worth 40 bucks. So he said he's going to fix it. I'm not sure how he's going to fix it, but we'll see. But I just wanted to do a quick video on, see if I have anything else in there. And what the stuff was in it and what the box looked like. Nowhere on there does it say Amazon, so that's why I don't think it's actually from Amazon. They said something about he writes an M, writes an M somewhere. Nothing was written on there. I didn't want to give his address away. But that's everything. So that's it. It's just annoying what it is, but it's liquidation. So, but I don't know what the brown stuff is. But that's it. Okay, just want to show everybody what was in there and how much of that brown stuff was covering. I did wipe some of it down before I touched the thing. I'll see if I can. No, that was just a little bit. I don't know where the other one went. I had another rag that I wiped some of it down. I didn't want to wipe it all down. Okay, thanks for watching. And that's it. Bye.